In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple photos to an Instagram post. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But maybe you're at a party or just an event and you have a lot of photos. Instead of uploading them one by one, here's how you can actually put them into one post. Begin by opening up Instagram and then selecting the plus icon down in the very bottom. At the bottom, go ahead and scroll over and select post, and you can see all of your camera roll stuff. From here, you're going to choose whatever first photo you would like. So in this case, let's go ahead and pretend this is the first photo I want to choose. And then if you look on the very far side right of recents, there's going to be this little multiple button. Go ahead and select that and then select the rest of your pictures. So do something like boom, 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 and boom. And then once you're done with all of this, what you want to go ahead and do is select next up in the top right, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, where you can swipe through all your photos, add music, or do really whatever you'd like to go ahead and do. And once you're ready, go ahead and hit next again, where you'll be prompted to add a caption in here. And whenever you're ready, simply go ahead and hit share and you'll be good to go. But that's how you can add multiple photos to a single Instagram post. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.